Today we are coming to prepare lamugee, and we are going to do the rice recipe. Okay, we have our rice here, we have water, and we have a container. Okay, with the lamugee, the rice recipe, you need to soak the rice overnight before you do it the next day. So coming to pour my rice into the container. Okay, this is my rice. Preparing it for a family, so I need a large quantity of rice. So this is my water. I'm pouring it on it. Okay, so I think the water is enough, so I'm going to stir it so the one on it also gets even. Yeah. Okay, good. Now we've soaked our rice. We are leaving it for tomorrow. We have our soaked rice ready. We have cloves, alligator pepper, ginger, and sugar. Now we have to sieve our soaked rice. So I'll just pour the water away. Then another water on it, just to wash it for the starch. So pour the water away again. Okay, then we're going to pour it into a blender. Okay, now you wash your gloves. You pour the gloves on the rice, my alligator pepper. Now I have my sugar. I'm using this quantity of sugar because the rice is mini. Okay, then we need to wash our ginger and then peel it off. This is our ginger. Yeah, our ingredients are ready. I have 2 glasses of water. This is what I'm going to add to the ingredient in the blender so that it will be able to blend well. Okay, this is our blended ingredients. Now we are coming to sieve it. So I'm coming to sieve it into a bowl. Okay, I want to stir it so that it will come out well. Stir it gently. Continue.